So let's have a look at the 7 major chakras in a little bit more detail. So the base or the root chakra is located at the base of the spinal cord. And this chakra is associated with your survival and your animal instincts. It's the flight or fight response, as well as grounding you to the earth plane. It's said to be the chakra with which you can grow roots into the ground, to receive energy and ground yourself to Mother Earth and your physical reality. The colour of the base chakra is red, and the crystals are red jasper, smoky quartz, hematite, and garnet. All crystals that will allow your base chakra to come back into balance. The sacral chakra is located at the level of the sacrum. And this chakra is associated with how you perceive the world around you, such as your ability to connect to people, to nature, material objects, and the universe. It directly affects how we perceive the world based on our individual experiences. It is also associated with one's sexuality. And the colour of this chakra is orange. And the crystals to assist in bringing it back into balance are carnelian, citrine, orange calcite, and topaz. The solar plexus chakra is located 1 inch above the navel. And this chakra is associated with how you perceive yourself and is strongly connected to your relationships and your emotions. How you perceive yourself deeply affects the way people perceive and interact with you. It is your seat of personal power. The colour for this chakra is yellow, and the crystals to bring it back into alignment, back into balance, are tiger eye and citrine. The heart chakra is located in the chest, in line with the heart. And the heart chakra is associated with love and compassion. It is said to be the seat of the soul, or the divine. When we can approach all aspects of life with true love and compassion, it can be said that we have reached a true state of nirvana. The colour of this chakra is green, and the crystals associated are rose quartz, aventurine, and jade. The throat chakra is located in the throat area, and this chakra is associated with communication and personal truth. It gives us the willpower to follow our true desires whilst maintaining the aspects of truth and integrity. It is also the seat of expression and free will. The colour of this chakra is blue, and the crystals are blue quartz, sodalite, aquamarine, and blue topaz. The third eye chakra is located in the centre of the forehead, just above the brow. And this chakra is associated with mental concepts and inner sight of non-physical concepts such as clairvoyance, dreaming, and intuition. It gives us the ability to view the world of the non-physical and is the connection to our deepest self, or our soul. The colour of this is purple, and the crystals are amethyst, lapis lazuli, and fluorite. And the crown chakra is located at the top of the head, and the crown is associated with universal energy and spirituality. It is the seat with which one realises the interconnectedness of all living things. It gives us knowledge and wisdom, and enables us to connect with our own divinity, becoming one with the whole universe. The colour of this chakra is white, and the crystals are clear quartz, amethyst, and celestite. So this course has given you the foundational understanding of what crystals are, how you can cleanse and program them, how you can work with them, and given you an insight into the human aura and chakra system. In the next series of lessons, we will be looking at how you can heal with crystals, offering you the tools to create your own laying on of stones. I hope you have enjoyed learning about crystals and you're feeling inspired to work with them in your own life. Enjoy. Namaste.